Say good morning. No. Good morning. Look at Chris looking sharp this morning.
I'm trying.
And look at Elsa.
Whoa, do
you
magic.
guys.
Elsa, do magic.
Do magic. Whoa. Whoa.
Got fierce there. I wasn't sure she was going to do it, Elsa.
Well, I did Elsa's hair like she normally wears it. See? And I made a mistake because I didn't ever charge this battery. So anyways, Chris is headed off for the day, going to an engagement party in Savannah, so he'll be gone pretty much all day. So the kids and I are headed out somewhere. Jane, where are we?
The donut store.
The donut store. So yesterday was actually donut day, and I saw all of these people eating these donuts, all these good looking donuts, and I thought, you know what? I have the kids by myself today. My parents were gonna maybe come, but I don't think they are. And so I was like, we need to kill some time. We don't wanna be cooped up in the house. So we're gonna go get some donuts today. We've never been inside, so this will be a fun thing for us, right?
Right.
Here we go. Is that Rapunzel? You have a beautiful dress and really long golden hair. Jackson likes it too. You look beautiful.
Oh, Jack.
Oh man. I'll fix it, okay? We are back from the donut store. We have tons of donuts left. I might even see if our neighbors want some. It was fun. Jane only ate like, not even half of her donut. And she was like ready to go, so I guess that's good. Although she's been asking for more, so look, that's her donut. So anyways, we are gonna eat some lunch here and take these kids down for a nap. The kids have been taking a nap. Jane never fell asleep. She's been playing the entire time. But now she's quiet and it's time to get up. I'm out of breath. So, let's see. Number one, if she's awake. Number two, how messy her room is. Hi, Jane. What?
Get me, and you heard me, did you?
Yeah. You said, come get me, Mama.
Yeah.
What's all over your face?
Lipstick.
Lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
You put makeup on?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It is fun. It is fun to do. I was just getting a makeup like stuff and fear and joy and anger. Watch it.
Is that how you do a makeover?
Yeah.
Well, you look beautiful either way.
And
Let me see how messy this room is. Whoa. What's going on in here?
put stuff in it.
You put stuff in there?
Yeah. Because they're going to hide. They told me they want to hide in this the pool. The pool. Because Barbie wanted to get in the pool and she got sunscreen on all over. Like I was on the beach, right, Mom?
Yeah.
And I got sunscreen all over like Mimi and Papa's beach house, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I got them a beach. So,
So this is their
and
pool?
we got, no, that's not the pool. This is the pool.
Oh.
And actually, this is the party room. But actually, you can fit this way for the table. And you can sit this thing for a table. For a seat.
I see.
That cool?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I did. And I was not sure. But I saw the attitude. And I did the attitude song.
Attitude what?
It's behind.
Huh?
Behind. Mine too.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it funny?
Well, Daddy is on his way home. He has like a 2-hour drive. I think
Yep.
he's been driving for like 30 minutes now, but he should be home right in time for dinner.
Yep.
We don't really have anything planned for dinner, so I'm
Right.
probably just gonna find some stuff in the refrigerator and the freezer and kind of heat it up and go
And-
from there.
and the
I think
white.
Chris is probably gonna have another piece of fish because he's been loving that cobia, which I'm so jealous.
So jealous.
My little parrot.
With my little favorite.
So I'm gonna help Jane clean her room, and then we gotta go get Jackson.
Wait.
All right, let's go.
Wait.
All right, we cleaned up a little. Now we gotta go get Jackson.
Yeah, and after Jackson, we're going to vacuum. And while you vacuum, we can play a room, right, with Jackson.
Yeah, she really wants to put Jackson in here. I brought the vacuum up because I need to vacuum. So I'm gonna vacuum. The kids are gonna play. We gotta wake him up first.
We have what? Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Hey, buddy. You want the camera, huh?
You like the camera, doesn't
He wants to turn off the noise.
it?
Okay, open up the blinds. Thank you. Jackson,
Oh, Daddy.
did you have a good nap?
I had a good nap.
You want to get out and play? Okay. What are you drinking? First of all,
Grandma's Diet Pepsi. I was craving some soda.
I was gonna say, first of all, you haven't had diet soda in a while, or did you have some at the beach?
Got a couple.
And
I hardly drink
so,
them anymore though.
yeah, he hardly drinks soda. We've had this Diet Pepsi at our house since Jackson's birthday party. It's never opened, so it's not flat or anything, but we bought it because Grandma loves Diet Pepsi. It's actually Grandma's birthday today.
Happy birthday,
Grandma. And happy birthday, Aunt Katie. It's her birthday too. But anyways, Chris saw the Diet Pepsi. We don't really like Pepsi around here, but I bought that for her, and we should have thought, she usually brings her own Diet Pepsis when she comes here. So,
Did she that time?
what?
And did she that time?
Yeah, she did.
I got Danny.
So she didn't drink any of them. And so we've had that Diet Pepsi there, but Chris is putting it to use. At least now I'll have an excuse to throw it away in a few days if it's flat, so that's all that matters. But this little guy just had mac and cheese, so now he's just running around naked.
Mac and cheese.
Looks like a dog was sitting here licking themselves.
Holy moly donut shop.
Daddy just got home. He put a piece of fish in the oven for himself. We've already eaten, so
Large.
Mom, can
two
you
big
put
pieces.
My dress on?
Pieces.
Yeah, you put your dress on?
My
Okay.
Rapunzel and my golden. I want to get my golden.
Okay. Jackson, go. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Hmm?
Mm. Jackson, where's your tongue? Mm. Mm. He's trying so hard to get up on this couch. Here. I think he's up.
Huh?
Jackson. Jackson, look. Look. Jackson. Jackson. Jackson, look. Hey. You do it. Yum, 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 yum. You smell like mac and cheese. Jackson, where's your tongue? Uh-oh, it fell down.
Uh-oh.
Jackson, can you say rawr? Rawr. Oh, danger, danger. Alright.
Watch this, guys.
Oh. Look what I can do. Alright, we're headed upstairs.
Look at
These days we have to get Jackson to walk up the stairs. Because I can't carry him anymore. Or Daddy's gonna do it like that.
You tell me what, Mom?
Because I have Piper, yeah.
Climb, stair Everest.
Alright, we are headed up for a bath. Watching a movie. Kids are in bed.
No, people are very curious about that. No, yeah,
We just watched a pretty good movie on Netflix. I don't even know. What was it called? Do you know?
What's Eating Gilbert Grape? It's an old school one.
What's Eating Gilbert Grape?
What's this?
I didn't know that's what it was called. But it was good. It was on Netflix. So if you guys have Netflix, look it up. But anyways, it is late. It is 11 o'clock. And so we are headed to bed. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to give the vlog a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some friendly comments down below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.